Very good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength every day to survive is our teacher. So today, let's celebrate Teachers' Day. Teacher, a person who contributes their day and night hard working in shaping us. It takes a very big heart to shape little minds. So let us convey our wishes to our beautiful teachers today and let us celebrate Teachers' Day. A teacher caring is the greatest caring. They contribute their everything in shaping a student and making them perfect. They make sure that our future is bright for all of us. So it is my contribution and our batch contribution for Teachers' Day. So happy Teachers' Day!
Good morning everyone and good morning teachers. First of all, a warm and heartfelt welcome to all my friends, all my seniors and the stars of the day, all my respected teachers. We celebrate 5th September as a Teachers' Day in India. Just like every year, this year also we have gathered here to celebrate our digital Teachers' Day celebration during this coronavirus pandemic. As we all know that we have to maintain the social distance after all. Teachers' Day, this is the most crucial occasion in every student's life. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September in India, commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan sir as a teacher, as a vice president and the second president of India. On this special moment, I want to wish my best wishes, greetings and gratitude to all my teachers who are hearing me at this moment. After our own parents, teachers become just like our second parents. They teach us everything just like we are their own children. They teach us or follows not only syllabus or bookish knowledge, moreover they makes us well mannered, well educated, and as well as they provide a bright future to their students. They always by our side in every situation to guide, strive to our goals as a friend. We found discipline as well as love in one person, that is a teacher. By their teaching, they add feathers one by one to make us fit to fly, and they make the way that can we spread our wings to reach to our goals in our life. And at last but not the least, dear all my teachers, thanks for being our inspiration. Thanks for always be with us, and thanks for supporting us a lot and enlightening all our ways. If we could have your blessing for a lifetime, we could succeed the way we have always done.
Hello everyone, it gives me immense pleasure to come in front of you and say something about this auspicious occasion called Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is very special in everybody's life because whatever we are today, it is because of teachers. Teachers come in various ways like father, mother, and of course the friends, and even of course the teachers who we go under them in the school, colleges and other institutions. So we are very proud to have a teacher like Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, that because of him we are able to celebrate this special day called Teachers' Day. So on this Teachers' Day, I would like to give a special message to all of you that whatever you do in life, whatever you want to become in life, you have to fix up a goal first. Remember one thing, without setting up a goal, it is not possible to achieve that goal. So goal and mission is so important in our life that once you set the goal, you have to remember one thing, that to achieve that goal, you have to really work towards it. Without putting your effort, it is not possible to get something. And never ever run after success, always run after excellence. And excellence will only come towards your dedication. If you put proper effort, if you give proper dedication, it is very, very easy to get something. I know it is not easy, it is tough also. But unless and until we go ahead with the tough road, tough path, you will not be able to learn anything. Whoever comes in your way, you have to give due respect to that, and all the above, you have to be a good human being. Remember, if you give respect to people, you will earn respect. Respect is always earned. You cannot command the respect. So that is the message from my side on this very, very special day to all of you, dear students. Be good, be safe. And last but not the least, I would like to give a special thanks to Jetty Aviation for giving me this opportunity to be part of this wonderful institute and be with you all. You all are my lifeline now. So whatever I have learned till date, I would like to share everything with you all so that I can be a help to all of you. So thank you so much Jetty Aviation for giving me this opportunity, and thank you for taking me in this team to be part with special people like students. So thank you so much.